Hey, what's up guys, hope you all are doing absolutely great and welcome back to another episode of Tips and Tricks. And in this episode of Tips and Tricks, I'll be showing you how you can play PUBG Mobile on MacBook Air in 2020. Alright, without wasting time, let's see how you can exactly play the game. We're inside of our MacBook and let's go to any browser like Chrome, Safari, Opera, anything. So there's a link in the description, go and click that link and you will be able to download this DMG file. It will automatically download. As you can see on my screen, it's only 2 megabytes. Open this installer, Mimo installer, and let it verify. Okay, and here's the Mimo emulator, and as you can see, it is totally in Chinese. Let me show you, it's totally in Chinese. Open this, and here you can see it's totally in Chinese. So what you can do is you can use Google Translator and you can translate it with Google Translator's camera. Aim your phone at that text and it will automatically translate. Here as you can see, it's already showing me installations, but you can just follow along me and it will be much more easier than using Google Translator. Okay, let's agree, let's go installations, and it will download some files. Here you can see it is 253 MBs. Alright, that's nice, and I'll be back after this thing downloaded. Alright everyone, so the download is already completed 100%, and now we're just waiting. Here it is asking for me to put my password. For your case it may ask, sometime it doesn't ask, it just varies on something. I really don't know about that thing, but wait for this thing to load because it takes a little time to load. Alright, it's loaded already, and from here you can change its settings like the graphics, resolutions, all the things over here. Here you can see the cores, and here is the RAM. As my Mac has only 8 GB of RAM, I just want it to be on 3 GB. That is more than enough. Restart the emulator, and here it already loaded, and over here you can see there is no Play Stores or things like that, and all the languages are in Chinese. We're going to change the language to English for right now, and over here let me find the language. Here's the language sections. Let's go and change it to English, and over here most of the things are pretty much English right now. So what you need to do to install Google or Google Play Store is click on this KK helper. Wait for this KK helper to load, and it will also take a little time because it will download a lot of files. Alright everyone, after 4 to 5 minutes we are near to the end and all the things downloaded. Reboot the device. Alright, we are rebooting the device. Access the camera. I just don't want to give it the access of the camera. Deny it. We are just waiting for it to load, and over here you can see we have the Play Stores and Play Games. So let's go inside of Play Store and let's put our Google ID and Google password, and I'm gonna cut this part where I'm gonna put the password and my email ID. I just don't want to show you that. Okay, email ID and password. We're done, and we're going inside of the Play Store, man. Yeah, we're inside of Play Store now. Straightforward, let's jump for PUBG install. Alright everyone, after a good 15 minute or 17 minute, PUBG Mobile already downloaded on our Mac, but it is installing right now. As you can see, it's 100% downloaded, so we're just waiting for it to install properly on our Mac. So now it is installing and we're waiting for the game to load. Alright, installation completed. Let's go out of this thing, and over here you can see we have PUBG Mobile. Let's go and load PUBG Mobile, and it is accelerator master switch. Just turn it on and close this. No need of this thing again. The game is loading. We're just waiting for the game to load properly. Loading and loading. We'll be back after 3.5 minutes. Already everyone, update completed. Now let's restart the game. Now it's already loaded. Let's go and click over here as usual what we do on our Android phones. Let's go with the guest account. Okay, let's go, and it's already a little laggy and the device temperature is already 68 degrees Celsius, so you can understand how warm your device is going to get. Okay, alright, let's start the match, and after that I will show you how you can key map all the things. Alright everyone, we are inside of the game and there is a lot of people making a lot of noise. I can right now move. Let's go to the setting, and after going to the setting, click on the control. Now click on this simple keyboard section. After that you need to click on this joystick button over here. Here you can see the joystick button, and this is AWDS, and you also need to use this firing button, and after that you can assign any key with these sections. Here you can see, think like I want to give someone revive, so with the help of R I can just revive someone. And for cancel, let me pick like Q for cancels maybe. Let's go and let's save this out, and let's go exit, and let's save it out. Let's exit. Maybe some bot is killing me. Yeah, some bot knocked me already over here. Now I can just play, but let me show you the crazy part. The temperature is already 77 degrees Celsius. So can you understand that how warm this is going to be? So it is really frustrating to play the game on this device. So I don't see why in the earth anyone want to play the game on this MacBook Air. It is like non-playable. And let me just make you hear the fan noise. Here the game already loaded, and here you can see I can just move with AWD button, but it's really laggy. As you can see, it's so laggy. If I go full screen, it's literally laggy. And the maximum graphics you can get with the MacBook Air is smooth and high. That is the maximum you can get, literally. Okay, jump, just click on jump, and now you can just go any place you just want to go. You can just move. I haven't key mapped all the buttons, but if you want, you can just key map all the buttons. Here you can see I'm just going to stall bar. Yeah, stall bar. Everything's fine. You just keep playing the games. And if you like this video, if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe, be sure to stay tuned with our community to get all the updates as soon as possible, and be sure to press the bell icon and subscribe. And if you have any questions on your mind, be sure to comment down. Yeah, all right, that is all. Goodbye.